guys, this is Nkeslo, your reliable supplier in China. So today we are going to a little city around Shanghai. It's around like 200 kilometers or 100 something kilometers from Shanghai. So firstly I'm going to make a factory tour, check how they produce and so on, and work on it, and then load the container from there to the client. So the thing we're gonna do firstly, I'm going there quickly and visit the factory, check the goods and load the container. So stay tuned. This is Kevlar, your reliable supplier in China. So today we are here to double check all goods after production, you know. Firstly, we pack it very well like this. Everything well packed. Inside is a cable seal, you know. Okay, you see here we have this one like this. So to make sure, you see, we put all the information where the goods is coming from and where it's going. Where it's coming from and where it's going. So this order is going directly to Cameroon, you know. This order is going directly to Cameroon. So we pack it like this very well. It's well sealed. So we have a lot. We pack it in front of you. So here we have another, like we have another stock here. You can see the stock we have here. So all of this is going to be packed in a few minutes. So one and this one and this one and this one. So you can see here we put all the information, like the product number. You can see here we put the product, the cable sales, you know, and the colors, the yellow and so on. So the supplier just finished to produce it. So what we're gonna do, we'll check, we'll open one bag and double check it. And then here, as you can see, we have a lot of, this is the shipping mark, you know. We're gonna put it in every goods. The shipping mark will be put in every goods like this. Our goods can never get lost, you know. In this kind of way we cannot lose anything. So it's like this we are going to work today. So I will show you how we do. So stay tuned.
因为我还要这样倒。
其实不错了，做得非常好，刘倩。就不错了。
我去那个印刷出来的。防水了。
要防水了。不错了。OK。
这样的话我就那个。
Okay, so here we are doing the last check.你按这上面算了，没算错吧？你再确认。We're gonna do right now, we're gonna double check, you know. This is the quality check, okay? I'll take this one to check the quality, okay? So let you see. Okay, for example, we check this one, all the numbers very well. I can take one out. So I can make some squash to check the quality of this bag and put it back inside. So one bag like this, there's 100 pieces inside, 100 pieces. Here you can see the numbers. There's 100 pieces in this bag. So in this carton, for example, there's 10 bags inside. So 1,000 one bag, 1,000 inside. So这是可以的。有那个蓝色的在哪里啊？ OK， 进过来。 So we check this one too. Okay, I'll make some push it a little bit to check. As you can see here, the number. So we make some things to check whether it's good. Wet seal. Very good. Okay, you can see here, this one, okay. I check the quality of this one, see? So the thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna lock inside to check the quality if it's good or not. So to lock this one, you put it inside like this. You know, once it's going in, you cannot come back anymore. It's locked. So you put inside like this, and then it's sealed. It's sealed. Once it's sealed, it's sealed like this. That shows that it cannot be opened. To open, you need to break here or the cut here. So this is how we do. So here we have this color here for our client, this color also for our client, and all of this, and this part also, and this part, and this part also. So they have other one on the production. So it's a little bit. So we're gonna make it again a little tour, and then I will show you the rest of the factory. Let's go. So if you need any product, if you are looking for this type of product here in China, if you want to manufacture it, if you want to produce this kind of product in China, please feel free to be in touch with me. I will help you out. So here you can see this is a yellow one, this is a blue one. We check the whole lock, you know, we check this lock also, we check it also. First we put it inside. Once the enter is done, so this one is done, the same as this one. So we put it inside like this, put it inside, yes sir, and we are good to go. This is what we have now. Blue, this one. We just tested the lock. The lock is good. The yellow one, the lock also is good, perfect. So now we take the red one, okay? The lock also we check it. So when we put it inside, it's done, you know. Put it like this. Put it like this. So it's done. You know, it's locked. So this is 3 colors order we did with the client. Those 3. So thank you, and then you see it's start with that. Let's go. Okay, maybe it's okay. Okay. So this is what we do. Firstly, we take this one, right? You take this one like this. Take this one and you take a good position like this. Put it on top like this. That's it. You see how we do for the first one, and you see the trick. We do like this for almost all, you know. This is one. We do like this for almost all. We do it so many. Do for so many of this. You take one with your phone. You do this one also. Okay, so this is a little bit what we do. We put up like this, and we keep on doing that. Okay. Okay, this is the next one. Put all of this like this. Next one. So we do for all of this, you know, this one, this one, this one. We put all of this like this, and then we seal it later. We are here. Okay, so it's like this. So it's like this. This is well sealed like this. No problem. So if you have other one there, it's coming. Other like this, coming. Down. Okay. Okay, go on. How you mash it? So it's like this video. You pack it like this, you know. So let's go. Well packed like this, professional, well sealed, like this is not losing. The thing is very good like this. Okay. Okay.